Hello and welcome to this lecture on model saving and loading. So first of all, why do we need that? Well, you know that training some deep learning model might take hours or even days or weeks. So you definitely need to find a way to save the model in the end, because you cannot afford to just retrain it every time you need it. And for this, there are of course some functions implemented in PyTorch. The first one is torch.save. This one is saving your model. And here the first recommendation is actually to only save the state dict. And you can ask yourself, why is it not good to save the complete model? Well, it's because if you would save the complete model, which is also possible, then there are some exact directory structures saved, some paths are saved to the file with the classes, so you might end up in a situation where your code easily breaks when you try to load the model on a different computer, for example. So due to these reasons, it's the recommended way to create a new instance of your model once you have trained the model and you want to load it, and then just to load the state dictionary into your instance of the model. So the state dict is basically a dictionary with all the layers and the corresponding parameters. And here only the learnable parameters and registered buffers like batch norm are saved. And here at the bottom you can see how to use it. So you can just call torch.save and then reference to your model. In case it's called model, then it's model.stateDict, and then you have to provide a path to save it. The corresponding loading function is then called torch.loadStateDict. This is, like the name would guess, loading the state dictionary. And here you can see what I have just explained. If you want to load it, you have to create an instance again of your model class. And then you have to load the state dictionary with this functionality. And then, since you don't want to retrain the model, you can put the model into evaluation mode with model.eval. Then, just for completeness, I want to tell you that there is this way of saving the complete model, and then the corresponding loading function would be called torch.load. But as I've said before, this is not the recommended way to do. Good, that's it. And in the upcoming coding lecture, we will see how we can easily implement this. Thank you and see you there.